Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can download this Google Sheet here as Microsoft Excel. Yes. So you actually have this in your Google Drive and you want to download it as Microsoft Excel. How do you go about doing that? The first thing you want to do is you put the cursor on it, right? And then you want to right click and open it. Now you open it. When you open it, then you see exactly option in which how to do that. Alright, if you notice right up here, it's a file, edit, view, insert, and format all the way up here. Alright, so what you want to do, you come right here, it's a file. Right, and you're going to click right here on the word file. Now, when you click on your file, you notice you open, import, make a copy. Notice right here, say download. When you put the cursor right here, notice right here, say Microsoft Excel, open document PDF. So I'm going to click right here, Microsoft Excel. As soon as I click it, you will see it appear right down here into this particular area. You notice right here? So there you go. So this itself is the Excel signal right here. Definitely. So this is how you actually download Google Sheet as Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.